Welcome to Edsembli Finance, a powerful, easy-to-use, and secure platform designed specifically for education's needs. This is the third video of a four-part series focused on the purchasing process. In our previous videos, we learned that Edsembli uses a simple, four-step process to streamline your purchase workflow. We call it the requisition to check process. In the last two videos, we looked at requisitions and purchase orders. Today, we are going to look at how to create an invoice. When the products and invoice arrive from the vendor, simply click on Add Invoice and enter the PO number from Step 2. The invoice will auto-populate based on the information in the PO. Fill in the required fields like the invoice number, quantity received, due date, and any other pertinent data you need to track. You will notice the ability to attach files is available at every step of the process. This feature makes it easy for you to stay paperless and save a great deal of time for you and internal and external stakeholders like auditors. If you are over budget, you will be notified. The purchase order is closed, and now the invoice is ready to be paid. If a purchase order did not exist, you can simply create the invoice from scratch by filling in the required fields on the fly. It's that simple. Alternatively, with our accounts payable invoice automation, you can automate the full invoice import cycle with attachments using our RESTful API. Watch Part 4 of our series to learn more about the Edsembli Fin purchasing process and the final step of paying the invoice. Looking to transform your finance workflows? Contact Edsembli today to discover how we can help your school district.